Welcome and greetings. Thank you for making time to watch this presentation. Today, we will discuss who needs the MPTS Power Management Control System. The discussion starts with a statement: you have power quality issues and unusually high operating costs if you have any or all of these items listed below in your electrical network. In other words, the conversation begins by addressing power quality issues and abnormally high operating costs that arise if your electrical network contains any of the following items: equipment such as transformers, batteries, uninterruptible power systems, HVAC, LED lights, VFDs, electronics, computers, and any AC to DC converters or DC to AC inverters. You need the MPTS Power Management Controls systems to stop paying higher electrical costs, stop paying more for your operating costs, reduce downtime. In the past 10+ years, the MPTS has been serving hundreds of customers. Customers are happy and are the best testimonials for the MPTS Power Management System. Make a proactive choice today to increase energy efficiency without seeking additional funds. Yes, you don't need Capex funding to acquire the MPTS. Here is an easy way to acquire your first MPTS system. Lease your first MPTS Power Management System for $2,000 per month for 5 years. Invest $24,000 every year and save $48,000 or more every year. Contact your local electrical distributor. Request a proposal with purchase options. Loan financing to be paid back from savings. Lease financing. Rental options. Long-term financing. With MPTS, your return on investment and the savings will come from the following benefits and features. You will reduce your service and repair costs. You will extend the life of your equipment. You will increase reliability and safety for your people and systems. In other words, reduce downtime. You will increase productivity and increase your revenues. You will decrease your total electrical demand and consumption, resulting in energy efficiency and reduction of CO2 emissions. You will also get these features with the MPTS: advanced power management, real-time monitoring, building standards benchmarking data and reports, predictive maintenance, fix power issues such as harmonics, power stabilization, and remove dirty power in the electrical network, safety enhancements. You should also know that there is no one device or technology in the market that can do everything that MPTS Power Management Controls device can do. Customers are using this power management system and controls device since 2011 in America. MPTS is a complete power management and controls device. This power management system monitors data, logs data, reports energy management data, and also fixes new world power problems in electrical networks. Please contact your distributor or a Trans Power Company representative for more information. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Have a wonderful day.